years back, an handsome boy was born in the month of November called Boluwatife Donald. Every 19th of November is your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Your lovely mother Nami, your God, your best of all, the best mother in the world, Mrs. Oritoke sent our wishes to you. She said, my bosom kid, Donald Boluwatife, having you as a son has brought nothing but joy beyond measure into their life. May you live long and prosper. Boluwatife o, ọmọ ọlọ́jọ́ ìbí òní, àkúrẹ́ ilé bàbá tó bí ọlọ́mọ. Ẹ̀yin ni àkúrẹ́ olóyè mẹ́kùn, ọmọ amúdàsílẹ̀ fún gbẹ̀nù pani. Ọmọ wa, ọmọ ẹkùn, ọmọ ajàpadà ló ń pè yín ní bàbá tó bí ọlọ́mọ. Ọmọ ọlọ́jà kan ọjà kan tí wọ́n ná lóòjọ́, bọ́ bá ná orí tagun lówùúrọ̀. Wọ́n tún ná mèsì ànáyè ànádò òru pèrèkìtì ní bàbá tó bí ọlọ́mọ. Àkúrẹ́ olóyè mẹ́kùn, ọkùnrin àkúrẹ́ ń toko bò fagada pinrin wálé, obìnrin àkúrẹ́ ń toko bò òfòsì mélòó pẹ́ fún. Òsì kí ń ta wọ́n lákúrẹ́ kọ́ má láṣọ àlàfo fún ní bàbá tó bí ọlọ́mọ. Donald Boluwatife. Today is a special day because it's your birthday. May the Lord bless you today and each day that follows. May you grow in wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. You are a source of joy to your parents. You will continue to be a joyful kid. We wish you sound health, long life, and prosperity. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, on the mix.